Hello, welcome to this second episode dedicated to making 10 video transitions using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make
the eagle gaze transition
in a few simple steps. Our eagle gaze transition has a duration of 20 frames and is suitable for aerial or motion shots, and I have to say it's very impactful and I really like it. You can also use it with titles. Max at the computer.
Francesca the voice.
Let's start! As we saw in the previous video, the first thing to do is add an adjustment layer to the sequence, 20 frames, and marker in the center. Position it in the timeline with the marker at the cut point. To make this transition, we will need two effects, lens distortion and Gaussian blur. We insert the lens distortion effect in the adjustment layer, set default values of curvature at clip start and end. In the middle, set the value to -90, and we're practically done. Fantastic! To make the transition smoother, let's add the Gaussian blur effect. Again, we set the default blurriness values at the start and end of the clip. And in the middle, set the value 100. Finally, select horizontal in the Blur Dimensions menu. Done. In no time, we've made a cool effect that you can use in your future projects. In the next video, we will see how to make the third video transition the asset twitch. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for your attention and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.